other team scored a lot. 停！我把这球放到那一页，然后呢，到那一页我就能拿起来。这样。Hello everyone, today I'm gonna read a story called "Hooray for Fly Guy." A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy, and Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Chapter 1. Fly Guy went with Buzz to play football. Coach said, "We have one more player for the big game." Buzz said, "Fly Guy can play." Coach, ha 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 ha. Flies can't play football. So Buzz said, "Fly Guy, show what he can do." So Fly Guy kicked the ball, kunk, and Fly Guy went over pass. Fly Guy tried to tackle Buzz. That demonstration is not going quite as he thought away. "I was right," said Coach. "Flies can't play football." He's making a list to let him remember flies can't play football. But he can come to the game. Chapter 2. It was the day before the big game. Buzz made a helmet for Fly Guy. But he's in popcorn and pink. I'm not sure what he's wearing on his helmet right now. They played football. They did jumping jacks. They planned a secret play. They made up a touchdown dance. Oh, they got prepared. They went to the big game. Coach said, "A new player joined our game." Fly Guy sat on the bench. The game started. His team scored. Fly cheered. The other team scored. Fly worried. The other team scored a lot. Chapter 3. Finally, there was 1 second left in the game. The big game. The good guys. The whole team and the 17. Much our team is 40 and the other team is 70. The other team was ahead. They were about to score again. Oh no! And the new player, oh no, he was hurt. He looks terrible. What's happened? Sport is lost. Look, one eyeball is purple, what kind of blue and purple, and the other eyes is turning like this. Okay, Fly Guy, Coach said, "You can't play now. The game was lost anyway." So Fly Guy went to the line. Go get us Mad Dogs. Ooh, the other team are Mad Dogs. Let's go. The other team snatched the ball to the quarterback's flag and flew fast and straight. He flew right up the quarterback's nose. The boy dropped the ball. Achoo! Buzz picked it and ran and scored. And Flag and Buzz did touchdown dance. Oh yeah! We scored! The team cheered! We won! Hooray for Fly Guy! Do you think Coach would put Fly Guy in the big game? And do you have this sized football? This football has been made by my super good mommy. And you know what the helmet made of? Wait for an answer and eat your lunch quickly. Subscribe. Bye-bye.